Hi, I'm Hunter from the 90s TV show Gladiators, and these contestants and I have been given 3 minutes each to smash through the endurance door. Whoever can do it will walk away with £10,000 in cash. So, let's get to it. Contestant ready? Ready. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, Alex there! Amazing hit! Alex is actually a powerlifter, trains here in Brig, and he works for endurance doors. Come on, Alex, let's give him a round! Come on, Alex! A bit more, push! Keep it going. He's marking that door. There are some dents coming up. The whole frame is moving. Oh! Still a few small dents in there, but nothing to really crack the endurance door. Let's do another 5 hits. Let's count him down. 5, 4. Come on, let's say it. 3, 2. One more. It's the one. Oh, well done. That is great work. Great work. Contestant ready? Ready. 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa! This is Jordan. Jordan's a bodybuilder, again, from the Hull area, and we found him in the gym. He was the biggest guy we could find, getting his entire body into the movement. Keep it going. That door is not breaking. 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh! Great work. So those guys haven't managed to do it. Let's see if I can give it a try. Gladiator ready. Woo! 9 minutes of impact, 3 big lads, and we've barely managed to crack it. I'm Hunter, and this has been the Endurance Sledgehammer Challenge.